The P1433 fault code in a Porsche vehicle is very often interpreted by scanners and diagnostic software as a cooling system issue. In 99% of cases, it has nothing to do with cooling, but there is still some logic in this. The code means that the vacuum system in your car has a leak or doesn't work as it should. The vacuum system in a Porsche vehicle is not just a turbo vacuum pipe with a little actuator controlled by the brake booster vacuum. Porsche cars have a plethora of changeover valves that control the turbocharger, intake flaps, coolant flow in the heating and cooling systems, etc. So when something is wrong with the vacuum system, the car will throw the P1433 code, since these coolant actuators don't work. They are dependent on vacuum. There are two most common reasons for this code: a faulty vacuum pipe or a malfunction changeover valve. Usually if you just see the P1433 code, it's a vacuum leak problem. One of the tubes may have fallen off, or there is a hole in the vacuum piping. Also, the brake booster vacuum leak may be the reason for this code. If the problem is with one of the changeover valves, the system will likely throw another code pointing at the suspected valve. If you can't see any obvious vacuum leak and don't find any other codes in the control modules, you may want to use more expensive diagnostic equipment in a good Porsche specialized shop to get access to more control modules and their fault codes.